เทคจำกัดเป็นอย่างสูงเลยนะคะ
Sawadika. Okay, first let me introduce the biggest drone in this meeting room. Now the capacity of the spraying tank is 70 liter. 70 liter. Yes. And the capacity of the spreading system is 100 liter. And the price is very friendly to Thai farmers. So for one combo, it only costs 390,000 Thai baht. Yeah, per set. Yeah. No, 390,000 Thai baht. Yeah, including one drone, two batteries, one charger, one generator, one spreading tank. Yes. Okay, now this is the smaller one. The capacity of the spraying tank is 40 liter. Yeah. And the spread liter. Yeah. And the spreading tank is 60 liter. Yes, and it's much cheaper than that one. Yes, okay, one combo only costs 250,000 Thai baht. Yes. 390. Yes, because we focus on providing a more affordable drones to Thai farmers. Okay, we are from China. VECTORAGR. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thank you.